Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I will be teaching you how to draw Grogu. But before I get to the tutorial, I would like to take a second and thank you guys for the support I got on my previous video. I am so grateful for all the people that watched my drawing Grogu video, and getting it to 7.2 thousand views. I hope you guys continue to enjoy my content in the future. But anyway, let's get back to the tutorial. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start with the face. So we're going to go and make an upside down U at the top of his face. From here we're going to draw his two ears, so we're going to go down and we're going to go back up and then stop at a point and bring it down, curve, and just curve it all the way back down. We're going to do the same thing on the other side, so we're going to go up, when we get to the point, we're going to draw down, another curve, and then bring it down. From here we are going to draw the bottom of his face, so we're just going to finish it off, and then we are going to draw a U to finish the outline of his face. From here we are going to draw the inside of his ear, so we are going to draw a line that resembles the one we drew up here already. We're going to curve it around. Now just follow the line you drew before and bring it back to a point. Do the same thing on the other side. Where we bring it down, curve, and follow the line. So now we are going to draw his eyes, nose, and mouth. For the nose, we're going to go a little lower than halfway, make a point. You're going to draw a curve this way and a curve that way. After that, you're going to bring it in like this, making a smaller U. And to finish it off, we're just going to draw another U at the bottom. For his mouth, we are going to go a little lower, about here. We're going to draw a line, and we're going to do an upside down U, and then we're going to draw another line. For his eyes, we're going to go right where, like the side of his nose. We're going to start at the point where we're going to go up, curve it back down, a little point, and then we're going to curve it and connect it all together. Same thing on the other side, we're going to go on the side, going to go up, we're going to bring it down, and we're going to finish it with another line. From here, we're going to do the features in his eyes, so we're going to draw two lines here in both eyes. And then we're going to draw two circles, one here and here, the other two here and here. And we're going to draw this shape, which is a reflection on his eyes. It's a curve and a straight line. Do the same thing on the other side, just the other way around, where we do a line and then a curve. Next, we're going to do his wrinkles, which we'll just draw two up here, one in the middle. We're going to do two on the side, one here, here. We're going to bring one here, curving it down and bringing it a little farther away than where his eye is. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. And then we're going to draw one around his eye. From here, we're going to color in his eyes with black. So just make sure you don't color in the circles or anything. Now we're going to draw the outline of the robe. So we're going to go from the ear, and we're going to curve like this down. And then we're going to do where his arm is. It's going to be a curve right here. And then we're going to curve outwards like this. And we're going to bring it back like that and curve straight down. Make a little bulge right here for his feet. Next, we're just going to finish the bottom off with a curvy line. And then we're going to bring it back up, another curve, and then we're going to bring it straight back up, curve. Then we're going to draw like a circle. We're going to take it around. And then we're going to go back up to his other ear. We're going to bring it down. We're going to make it all the way about here. Halfway of... And we're going to bring it back up. And then we're going to stop right there. So leave a little gap in between where we'll draw it in his hand. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to draw the hand on this side. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to bring it down. And we're going to bring it up like this to here. So we have one finger. We're going to bring it halfway where we drew this line. We're going to bring it up like this. That's our second finger. And we're going to take where we just, like where we ended the second finger, we're going to draw out, make a little line there, and then bring it back. So you have 1, 2, and 3 fingers. It doesn't look like 3 fingers, but now we're going to add the nails in, and then it'll look like 3 fingers. So now we're just going to add the nails, where we're just going to draw points like this. 1, 2, and 3, which finishes the 3 fingers. And we're going to draw a few more wrinkles around the hand. So we're going to draw one here, right where the third finger is. One here where we drew the second finger. 2 on the first finger, like right here. And then 2 on the second. That finishes the hand on this side. On this side, we're gonna have to, it's a little easier. We're just gonna bring it down like this. And then bring it up, which connects the 2 parts we drew earlier. From here, we're going to draw a point. We're gonna bring it down. We're gonna bring it back up a little higher, a point, bring it down. We're gonna go slightly lower than we draw the second one, and we're gonna bring it back down. So now we have the nails, the outline of the nails and the hand. Now we're just gonna draw nails, where we're gonna start off with one here. It's gonna draw a curved line. And up here, we're gonna draw 2 closer to the actual point, which is one here, one here. To finish off this hand, we're just going to draw another curve down. Next, we're going to draw more details on the robe. So we're going to take it from right up here to his chin. We're going to bring it down a straight line. And we're going to go to the left, right about there. And we're going to take it up a little, and we're going to connect it right here. Next thing we're going to do is that from this point, we're going to bring it back down and just draw a straight line. Up here, we're going to draw 2 curves. And then we're going to color in the 2 spots right there. From here, we're going to draw 2 straight lines down from right here. And then a second one right here. Now on the left side of the second line, of the first line we drew, we're going to draw a dotted line where it's just going to represent the stitch of his robe. To finish up the robe, we're just going to draw a few more wrinkles around it. So we're going to draw a line here. And then we're going to draw a line down. That's the cuff of his robe. Next, we're going to bring this up. And we're going to bring a line here, down. So we have the arm. Next, we're just going to draw another wrinkle right here. And we're going to go back to the other arm where we're going to finish the cuff here. We're just going to draw a straight line down. And then now we're just going to do more wrinkles. We're just going to put one here to represent the arm. One right here. Curvier one right here. Some curved ones in the middle. Now at the bottom, we're going to do another curvy one. And we're going to bring it back down. Same up here, we're just going to draw a smaller version of this. Just going to draw this and bring it back. Now with a bigger marker, we're going to draw a few bigger wrinkles. One right here. One right here. And on the other side, one on the upper arm, and 2 in the middle. And then this one curves down. The last thing we have to draw is the ball. So up here, we're going to start off with a curve like this, a straight line, and then another curve. We're going to do the same thing on the bottom, just reverse. We're just going to draw another line, 2 curves, and here we are going to draw 2 straight lines up, 2 small ones, and then we're going to connect them. And we have the bottom half done. Top half, we are going to draw a U to connect those two, and we're going to draw almost making a ball to finish the top. And to connect the 2 parts, we're just gonna draw 2 lines. And we're done. If you want to check out the original video, it's up here. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing and turning on a notification bell so you never miss any of my future uploads. And have a great day.